Zimbabwe's political landscape is a perfect example of the phrase, "Be careful what you wish for." The ruling party ZANU-PF is experiencing internal strife with factional wars and bitter disagreements threatening to destabilize the government. The latest culprit, Presidential Advisor Tungwarara, whose inflammatory remarks have sparked outrage and raised questions about his motives. Sarabina mashikubranyo kwachinzi Tungwarara's tactics, a threat to ZANU-PF's progress. Notable subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamobranyo kwamchinzi Tungwarara's behavior is not only embarrassing, but also a clear sign of immaturity. He is not alone in this. History is replete with examples of politicians who underestimated their opponents only to face humiliation. Later, the likes of Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga, Nelson Mandela, and P.W. Botha, and even Julius Malema and Jacob Zuma come to mind. The irony is that President Emerson Mnangagwa, who has achieved so much in the past 7 years, is being undermined by his own allies. ZANU-PF has made significant strides in rebuilding the economy and restoring Zimbabwe's international reputation. Yet Tungwarara's antics threaten to undo all this progress. The problem is not Tungwarara's enthusiasm, it's his lack of wisdom. He seems to have forgotten that power is transient and that the party's interests should come above individual ambitions. As the saying goes, the axe which chops the tree forgets easily, but the tree which was chopped will never forget. It's time for Tungwarara to take a step back and reflect on his actions. ZANU-PF is bigger than any one individual, and the party's legacy should not be destroyed by excitement. The president's achievements are worth celebrating, but let's do so without resorting to divisive rhetoric. Ma actions atungwarara nema tactics are kushandisa the threat to ZANU-PF progress. Kuna comment section medu nzafungura aim to deep amzero pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like up and join on the bell icon.